Okay, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like we have continued down here, coming towards or in and around that key level of support that we did talk about back here, down here around that 1/5% level. You can see quite clearly on the chart here. We have marked out some of these key levels that we do think are going to be very apparent, and you can see pretty much what's happened here. Obviously we had this big move to the upside, got your all-time high, there's a key level here of support as well. And you know, once we start to roll over here, we're looking for that place for a bounce, aren't we? We didn't get a bounce here, didn't really get a bounce here, and now coming down again to another level of support for Verasity. Obviously altcoins over the past, over the Christmas period at the very least, have been, just continuing to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. You can see for Verasity, no exception really in this whole bear market really. There hasn't been a real renaissance to the upside whatsoever, just continuing to make lower lows and lower highs overall on this daily time frame for a long time here. You can see here in our recent area of structure that we did come into with our resistance, support, resistance, we come down, lose support, retest it as resistance here, and then come down again towards that key level that we did talk about, getting a little bit of a pickup over the past few days, or at least a resistance to continue trickling to the downside, which is what Verasity has really been doing for the past few weeks. You can see it's just been red candle after red candle, no real bounce in the market whatsoever. And you'd probably expect at least coming back up and retesting this resistance again, maybe coming and making a little bit of a range like this for a lot of altcoins, because they have been shedding a lot of value, haven't they? Especially against Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been just going sideways, but a lot of altcoins continuing to move to the downside, and obviously Verasity no exception here whatsoever. We are just continuing to roll to the downside in this bear market, obviously getting down now quite a significant amount from the all-time high. I think we're down like over 95% now, 97.5% down from the all-time high. So currently looking like it's got absolutely smashed in this bear market so far, and we could easily see continuation to the downside in our opinion. I do still think in the long term that this project is going to come good. One of the projects that I am bullish on for the longer term, because it does actually have a really good use case. But in terms of technicals right now, pure technicals are looking continuously bearish, and we are still looking to come down really and test that support that we were talking about. Until then, we're probably just going to see more downside, maybe a little bit of a bounce here, followed by coming down and testing that low. But in our opinion, still bearish on altcoins. Short term bearish, but mid to long term bullish on Verasity, VeChain, all the rest of the altcoins that we look at on the channel. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Appreciate you all very much. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.